Hey, what's going on, guys? It's allmax RPM coming at you with another video today. Sorry if the camera lighting is a little bad. I had a light blow in my room. Why does it feel like this is zoomed in more than usual? There. I don't know why, but it felt like it was zoomed in more. Alright. So I'm curious. I've been doing some testing recently. I'm trying to see if my printer's going to work. Allmax shatter in its defense mode is currently on around high extend plus dash. It hasn't burst yet, but I kind of want to see if it will. So we got War Smite, Wheel Jaggy, my buddy Raging Mako's Bay. Let's see if Mako can burst it. Next to Quake and Bacon's base Samuraizer, I think I'd probably give it to Smite for attack power. Yeah, next to Samuraizer, I think I'd probably have to give it to... probably to Smite. No damage yet. I don't care who wins or loses, I'm just trying to... we're doing burst testing, essentially. I'm gonna give Smite a longer rip cord. Let's see what we can do. That was a huge hit. Alright, so I'm curious. Is this all the dash driver at work? Yep, my printer's screwed up. And I'm not 1,000% sure on how to fix it. I'm not very good with technology. Alright, I'm going to swap the combo real quick to my regular extend. This is my Z Achilles Extend Plus, the one that I made. So let's see if it's literally all spring. I'm using this stadium just for something different today, and because it's really hard to get knockouts in here. That was kind of cool. We did take half damage. Alright, so stronger teeth may be needed. This Smite just has so much attack power. That was a bad launch. I'm really putting the power to Smite too. I can't tell if you... I'm pretty sure you guys can tell just by the sound. Only half damage still. Let's go back to a normal stadium. Why is my camera zooming in so much? I guess that's normal. Just looks different on the carpet, I guess. Normal stadium, same launchers. Alright, so it held up pretty good with the shield armor. Now if I can get the shield armor off without breaking it, that's going to be absolutely awesome. I still need to make some modifications to the armor because it's a little too firm fit and it breaks when I take it off. Okay, we only had one, and it was a partial break. So now we're going to do one battle with just Shatter in its core mode. These teeth are moving around a lot. We're going to use Shatter just in its core mode. Smite is kind of scary, not gonna lie. Oh, that was a big time fail. Smite on Wheel Jaggy is really good. Smite on Jaggy is just a fantastic combo. Alright, so it's safe to say that that armor made a huge difference. Now I'm going to show you guys my favorite part. Ooh. Now I'm going to show you my favorite part about Shatter's gimmick. A new armor. This is reverse shield. And it just kind of... See, this is what I mean when I need to readjust it. Because it... If it were CPR, I would have just saved someone's life, but it's Beyblade, so I just hurt my hand. And we just pop it together. Bam! Whole different layer. And this is why it's called allmax, because it's all of... I'm going to use all of my creations, hence the name. Allmax. They're all mine. This one will be really good against stopping like thin bays. Oh, that would have been so cool with a last second knockout. But yeah, Smite, definitely one of the hardest hitting bays out there. It definitely hits harder than Demon King. Because Demon King actually doesn't hit that hard, he just pushes. But Smite is just a hammer. And the cool thing is, this new Shatter is a balance type, and I will have a custom driver made for it at some point. And it'll be able to swap modes, become different types. Ow, that's sharp. At the moment, I'm just going to swap the mode. I'm going to send Smite in first this time, because I'm using attack mode. Oh, you've got to be kidding me, Shatter. I actually had Smite on the run there for a second. That was so weird. Why are you getting knocked out so easy? These contacts aren't even big. What is gonna happen? What? Am I drunk? What did I just watch? Shatter! You idiot! It's on high extend plus now. Thank you. Maybe it's just because that one I built myself. That might just be my issue. So we were not able, to burst Smite in any of its defense modes. I don't have the attack ring because that one actually broke all 4 prongs. However, I need to fix my 3D printer again. Once I do that, I think I can make Shatter the way that I finally need him. Also, hopefully, we might be in danger of not getting the original plan for the Absolute exactly the way I wanted it. I've got essentially 2 days to get the Absolute finished and how I want it. If those 2 days are up, I'm going to have to completely... I'm not going to scrap the idea because Spooky did such good work for the art. And, yeah, so I'll just have to come up with a different plan. Alright, guys, that's about it. This video has gone a little longer than I thought. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so I get all my videos because I upload daily. And as always, hope this makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome.